Somebody's lair for sure. Wow. Hope nobody's in there right now. Somebody lives in there. Oh, what kind of berries are these? Are these currants? Yeah, they do taste kind of good. But they're pretty bitter. Whatever all these prickers are poking me, they sure hurt. It's like they got a little something in them. Look at that. Okay. We made it, guys. We might have to... Jeez. God damn. Those hurt. Okay, maybe this is about as far as we're gonna go. Oh, yeah. Careful. Wow. Can you guys make it or no? You guys can't make it, huh? Okay, I won't make you come up here. Stay. Stay down there. Stay over there. You guys can stay right there because I know you can't make it. It's okay.